by the authority of PDP and our amiable governor, I hereby, Chief Ekundayo Mafredide, present to you the candidate of council chairman. Is a person well known or talking ado project Eghe Ogbemudia. Today, and the councillors, the 10 councillors from Ward 1 to 10, they are here.
PDP! PDP! Great youth! Great youth! And the greatest and the greatest and the greatest and the great! We are not going to go for road show. We need to tell the people that PDP is alive. We need to let everybody know that PDP is in charge. We need to let everybody know that Eghe Ogbemudia is coming back. Madam Project. And I promised you guys, I go do pass as I do before. Oh yeah, make we dey go.
Now God will bless all of you now. He don't still reach the time. Now our papa, our wait and see governor, or talking to do governor. Governor when he take Edo State, he come London. He come look at, when he look at to the left, look at to the right, front and back. He come see and say, people there when he know this word. People there, when God said, people there, when he know say, he the hungry, other person the hungry. He can't look out for a God. With all his people, he can't bring out una pikin for una. Una know this una pikin well. Na mother, na sister, na person, where they know they take one, take the push. Na person, when he talk now, he go do one. Who be this person? Everybody know. Say, if pikin not resemble papa, he go resemble mama. Na lie. All of una know his papa. 2 times governor. Where did they never see before? Now he bring it pikin. Who be this person? Samuel or Eghe Ogbemudia. He can't look at. Who still get the experience? Who get that brain when the papa get? He born pikin. That pikin, he don't first stay for this council for 3 years. He beautify this market. He do one well. All those market women, they don't go suffer. As they come, so they don't suffer again. Now he can't look at. You can't bring una daughter, una friend, una sister. Eghe Ogbemudia. He can't kure no more. He can't put down our amiable governor. Say for PDP, Egor I go be council chairman candidate. I hope all una there now. He never reach there. He never reach there. If you don't reach the one that shout PDP, PDP.
PDP. PDP. Egoje. Egoje. Women oje. Women oje. Men oje. Great youth. And the greatest and the greatest and the greatest great. Adai Kweki. Adai Kweki. Obaratokbe. Eghe Ogbemudia. Ọmọ no sagere lọ́dọọdọ lẹ́gọ̀ọ́rán yìí. Ọmọ no sagere Eghe Ogbemudia. Ọmọ no sagere lọ́dọọdọ lẹ́gọ̀ọ́rán yìí. Ọmọ no sagere. Waye Wese, I dey make I thank all of una for coming here today. Today na our flag off. Because our election now on the 2nd of September, so we come flag up as PDP candidate for a local government for council and all the councillors and vice. All of us dey here to come beg una. This market where we stand so, na who do am like this? I say na who do am like this? Now no one make I come tie this place. Now no one make I put it a lock in. Now no one make it fine where. So now no what una supposed to do. Make una vote for PDP. Because on that day, my photo no go dey there. The only thing where you go see na the symbol of umbrella. Abi not be so? No, we forget about wetin happen that last time. This time around, na person wey get integrity. Person wey he go talk and he go do am. Not be we want, or talking I do. When I finish my tenure for 2021, na the party chairman give me name. He say my name na Madam Project. Why they give me Madam Project? Not because I work. This time around, we go do more. And from there, we will elevate. Is it bad if we see woman will be governor for Edo State? Now this state now it go happen. One day a woman will be a governor in this state. Wait, because now we women I know the pain of our people. I be not be so. Or whether I will get there, but we just way baba na no. I bet you want to go okay. So one la wo. Why are you sir? Why am wo? Èmi o be ero ni ayin mi wa gbera we mi wa mu me bobo ni we de gbera te ni do finishing una ni ma e fo wa be ga we flyer now iyan so avio de ma ban wa be de photo panorama a hospital ni Bore go ward 4 na kin a hospital now apa e to keme ya boy for ya te ya with my 2nd year anniversary. But unfortunately, I might see boy for again manado amene botia a pandemic. Yana atia a COVID-19. Akoyana lawa, amaki eki, amaki office, amaki banki, amagi nigo ya wina. Because you go ni maya wina, you go ni maga collective revenue, maya wina. Ma normally kara will not pay revenue. You see a man mighty boy for, but by the grace of God, eti wa here, eti wo here, eti nikao, eti o dear do. When I return back, hospital now, you have finished. Hospital now, already was for Eghe, opposite a palace of Eghe. Is already on 70% completion. Hospital now, ona ame kana be on move way. Ona ame kana operation. Ona ame kana west stray. Ona be ame doctor quarters. Na na me we a doctor arrive 24 hours of the day. Evi ga iwe gbegbe ba na mageti wu akana mo are UBTH. E governor oye menege na yori no Eghe Ogbemudia oh boy. And then I have a commission hospital ni. Wahi have awu wahi have so nu wala wo. Emi buni u vikare. Emi buno me ufo ni oni we le gbe do ufo. O ekenu wahi Ogbemudia yina. Ekina. Egenede ete mate like do wa mi vi obu weki. The security o magi yan wi e. Egena na security yan gi wi e. Ebi wa ma so to ni a. Emi ni ya u le leki ya no red ego local government ya fese ya leka. Okeme ya wona ina bewe uwelu market. Abe no ike na ni apia iwere gbe bewu. Emi ni eri maga ataban e ka na ye gbowa. Iga campaign kian bu ekiwelu gbogbo pata ma me wi yan me ke na ye gbowa. Be no gi baste yen ga ye gbowa yu we ro baba ki yen mu were gbe ari owa ina wa wa ina we ge me were gbe sunu. Ina wike panye council re ya make sure we ekiyawe go eya me kana ye gbowa ti today ekiyawe go me kana ye gbowa eti wa ya no du wa ma yu erun ya so me du wa ma Mudia ke me ga eti we a edo wi pe anbo pa e mu irure to menege na yore no no Eghe Ogbemudia eguzi papa no ye ezinyo abieru wa kae so ido yin mi wa no wa la wo imadas we na nia na ma flag off maga were gbeyere doluwe kina ya lega ya were gbere do mi wa but ogede na no ka ona iwe ni do ka mu wa we me no Eghe Ogbemudia o were gbedie council nu wa la wo nu wa ri oboyo me yeke nu wa ta me e ma ya fefe use ga pa ya ka me ego apa ya ka mu se ebi glodi ga pa no ya ka mu se lu wo Eghe Ogbemudia o i were gbeyere de na o nu wala o imaye kwe mu wa wona karebe no ka o abi ye kwe mu wa edene na waga eti yobu wa ya gbe chest wa we yes emi no pe ama eti wu okowe abi eri ono so ido yin wa nu wala wo nu waga si ma eyu we o no ka bo wa dey important nu wa we ekara o tu no ye kara ya nwa egbe menege na yore na Latian. The party wey get the symbol of umbrella now for come out. So if you dey tell everybody say na Ogbemudia pikin na wan come out again for Eghe local government, make una dey remind them say na PDP wey dey use umbrella na there now for come out. Because anybody wey wan contest the election, you must use one political party. Abi no be so? So now that political party where I dey na be PDP. So I dey beg una, my mama, my papa, my brothers, my sisters, all my people, I beg, make una not disappoint me.
Today, now the day when God set aside for the people of Eghe. When God take give us good person, when our governor, when God go bless, when he don't turn Benin, turn the Edo State to London, he can't give our daughter ticket, Eghe Ogbemudia, to come and rule again the council, because he don't do it before, he go still do them again. So many things when he do, when he did there, we come see and say, now he go fit turn Eghe to London again, Now we can't say we can't tell people, say Eghe Ogbemudia don't still come. So we can't tell people, make them know, say, now you want to come cancel again. We can't do what they call flag off. The chairman and the 10 councillors, now they come here today, can't tell people of Egor, say, they don't ready gidigba to work for the people of Egor.
I'm happy. I no expect say they will come less because I know my people and I know say my people love me. And because of what I don't fair do before, I know say they want make I come back. Some don't even they call me, they tell me say, Mama, you not go come back. Now I say after primary, the ones they give me ticket, I go contact them. So now when they don't give me the ticket, now they say I mean be the flag bearer for our party, which be PDP for Egor. So today now I will come flag off, carry the 10 councillors, we go follow me work. We will be my legislators now all of them, and they go they make the policies where we will bring to take better the people of Egor. So now we can't do today. Even the people when I see here today, I'm not surprised. Say I see them because I know say yes, they love me and they will vote for me. As we did now, when I first come, I do so many things, and it get one way I never finish. Where be the hospital where they build for Egor, Ward 4. We dey call am Egor Cottage Hospital. You don dey on like 70% completion. Now because of that pandemic, when that pandemic come where they call COVID-19, now make me not finish am that time before our tenure come end. Now it go to be the first thing where I go just first of all quickly finish. Then this place where we stand, so as you see this was a low market. Now that our administration now we take fence am round, do everything to make am dey secure. So this place we supposed to put interlocking or korota, so we go do am. So I to beautify this place. Make people know say today now this market now be the most beautiful market, the best market for Edo State. Now it fine pass. So we go beautify and more, make it fine well. So that our market women, our market men, where they sell inside this market, their property, their thing go they secure. So we will still do so many things. Still try. Mostly that school uniform where we they do for children. Now we want to introduce another one where we they call sick bay. Sick bay now when pikin dey sick for school, maybe pikin get small temperature or you wound, they fit quickly treat am first for what they call first aid inside school before they go call the parents come carry them. The reason why I want do am, e get one day when I go lower primary school, I go share uniform, I see one pikin dey waka for road, him leg dey bleed. That pikin I go make them find am bring come for evidence. Him leg dey bleed. Now I park my motor, I stop. Now I come ask the pikin say, why your leg dey bleed? He said na table for class, na I fall for him leg, and the leg dey bleed. Why you come dey go house? He said the teachers making dey go house. Now I say okay. Now I put am inside my motor. I come carry am. He come go show me their house for around Anigboro side. As I reach there, him mama no dey house. I come meet a neighbor. Now I carry money, give the neighbor. Tell the neighbor say abeg, make he give this money to him mama. Make go take treat this pikin leg. And the pikin wear slippers come school. I say I add money join am make he buy am sandals. So thank God the day wey we come call parents teachers meeting for school, na him mama come. He come dey dance. Now he come dey thank me. Now I say madam how you dey? Say I dey fine. Say na me na him pikin wound for school. Where you see am for road, you carry am come house. You can't give am money make he take go treat him leg. You can't make I buy slippers, buy sandals for am. The sandals where I go buy for am make he cover. Now he carry the pikin. He come dey show me the sandals where he buy for am. So since that time, he dey my head. So as that pikin wound for school, they not supposed to tell am make he go home. So I make we want to introduce that one. Then the one of school uniform where we dey do before, where we dey go around school. What we want do now be say, once we start, some children they don't dey go school because they don't fit buy school uniform. I don't see them for estate primary school when I first dey council. When 3 children, they withdraw them from school because they don't fit buy school uniform. Now that thing that motivate me when I can set up a local government fundraising committee where we can dey sew school uniform for the children. So this time around, what we want to do be say, any pikin wey wan start school for primary school for a local government, we go do the announcement. We go dey sew the uniform down for different sizes so that any pikin wey wan make e go school, we no wan make children dey for street again. They go come council, come collect school uniform wey their pikin go take start school. Those are the things and other things wey we get for hand. Then the one wey dey cross children for road, where they call lollipop, wey we first do before, we go rebrand am again. Then we go rebrand our security again, you know, because he said when your life is secure, that is when you can see tomorrow to do other things. So at least we go rebrand our vigilantes again, because when we first do at that time, I give them 3 buses and 1 motorcycle wey they do patrol. They give them small money every month for maintenance. So when we come back now, we go rebrand that one again. Then we go involve, you know, like communities, involve landlord and landladies, involve traditional rulers and religious rulers, so that all of us go join hands together, may we take succeed. Then we will try, when we see how we will take bring Egor back again, make it dey clean, because most of the places where we dey see, it too dirty.